In this video, we will navigate through the process of making money online with print-on-demand, showcasing a straightforward map to monetize your creativity. Imagine a day where your artistic skills aren't just confined to a hobby, but have the potential to become a steady stream of income. This isn't a lofty dream, but a tangible reality many have achieved, and so can you. Welcome to Millionaire Ventures Online, your stepping stone to the online money-making arena. Today, we're delving into the realm of print-on-demand, a platform that allows you to transform your art into sellable merchandise. So, hit that subscribe button and get ready to venture into a domain filled with potential earnings. Meet Sarah, an artist caught in the 9-to-5 grind, struggling to make ends meet. Her life takes a turn when she uncovers the world of print-on-demand, an avenue where her creativity isn't stifled but celebrated and monetized. Today, we'll tread along Sarah's journey, exploring the various facets of print-on-demand and how you, too, can break free from the financial shackles by leveraging your creative skills. Print-on-demand isn't just a business model. It's a window of opportunity for artists and designers to reach a global audience without the hefty investments traditionally associated with retail. It's about turning your unique designs into products people love and are willing to pay for. You create, they buy, and you earn. It's simple, direct, and holds the power to turn your financial situation around. In the coming sections, we will delve deeper, providing practical advice on how to kickstart your print-on-demand venture, the platforms to consider, the tools that can aid your journey, and the strategies to overcome the challenges that may come your way. We aim to provide a well-rounded view to equip you with the knowledge and the confidence to step into the print-on-demand world. Unveiling Print-on-Demand. Understanding print-on-demand. Print-on-demand, POD, is a straightforward business model where you can sell customized products without holding any inventory. Here's how it works. Create or upload your unique design using digital tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Choose a POD platform such as Teespring, Redbubble, or Merch by Amazon and upload your design. Decide on the types of products you want to sell, t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, etc., and set your price. Promote your products on social media platforms, your website, or other online marketplaces to attract buyers. When a customer orders a product, the POD platform takes care of manufacturing and shipping, and you earn a commission from the sale. This model allows you to focus on creating and promoting your designs while the POD platform handles the logistics and customer service. Exploring the POD platforms, different POD platforms cater to different audiences and offer varying product ranges. Here's how to navigate them. Research and compare platforms. Look into the product range, printing quality, pricing, and audience demographics of platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, Society6, and Zazzle to find what suits your designs best. Test multiple platforms. Don't limit yourself to one platform. By having your designs on multiple platforms, you can reach a broader audience and find out which platform performs best for your niche. Optimize your product listings. Use relevant keywords in your product titles and descriptions to make them easily discoverable. Also, use high-quality images to showcase your products. Collect and act on feedback. Pay attention to customer reviews and feedback to understand what's working and what's not. Use this information to improve your designs and product listings. Building your POD empire. Starting a print-on-demand, POD, business is a journey full of opportunities. The first step is selecting a platform that aligns with your goals. Platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, or Merch by Amazon are popular choices. Here's a step-by-step guide to building your POD empire. Research, study different POD platforms to understand their fee structures, product offerings, and audience types. Create a store, set up your store on the chosen platform. Customize your store's appearance to make it inviting. Design upload, use digital tools to create appealing designs and upload them to your store. Ensure your designs are high resolution to ensure quality printing. Product selection, choose the types of products you want to sell. It could range from t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs, to phone cases. Pricing strategy, determine a pricing strategy that covers costs and provides a decent profit margin. Promotion. Utilize social media, email marketing, and other online marketing strategies to drive traffic to your store. Customer engagement. Engage with customers by responding to queries, collecting feedback, and offering promotions. Analyze and optimize. Use analytics to track your store's performance. Identify what works and optimize your strategy accordingly. Through these steps, you will gradually build a loyal customer base, expand your product range, and grow your pod business into a thriving online empire. Tools of pod. Various tools can help streamline the process of running a pod business, turning your designs into sellable products. Here's a breakdown. Design tools. Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop, ideal for creating detailed and high-resolution designs. Canva. A user-friendly option for beginners or those looking for pre-made design elements. Pod platforms. Teespring, Redbubble, Merch by Amazon. These platforms host your store, print your designs on products, and ship them to customers. E-commerce platforms. Shopify. If you prefer more control over your store, you can use Shopify in conjunction with a pod service like Printful or Printify. Marketing tools. Facebook ads, Google ads, effective for driving traffic to your store. Instagram, Pinterest, ideal platforms for visual promotion of your products. Customer service tools. Zendesk, Freshdesk, helpful for managing customer inquiries and providing support. Analytics tools. Google Analytics, Facebook Insights. Essential for tracking your store's performance and understanding customer behavior. Leveraging these tools will simplify the process of managing your pod store, from design creation to customer service, making the journey of turning your creativity into a profitable business smoother and more efficient. Navigating through challenges. In the realm of print-on-demand, pod, spreading the word about your store is a common challenge. It's akin to having a map to a treasure, but the treasure is only valuable if people know about it. Here's where the power of social media and advertising comes into play. Picture this: you share your quirky cat design on Facebook and suddenly, there's a flurry of laughter and shares. People are loving it and they rush to your store to snag a piece of that joy. Or you create a catchy post on Instagram, showcasing your vibrant designs, and it's like a beacon, drawing people to explore your store. The more you share and advertise, the wider your reach, guiding more people to your store. And with every visitor, there's potential for a sale, ringing in a bit more revenue with each interaction. Spotting golden opportunities. In the pod market, keeping an eye on trending topics is like having a sixth sense for golden opportunities. When a phrase or meme starts buzzing around town, it's your cue to hop on the trend. For instance, a dancing frog meme is bringing joy across the internet. Seize this moment to create a playful design. Soon, your store is bustling with customers, all wanting a piece of that joyful dancing frog on a t-shirt or mug. With each trend you catch, you not only draw more customers but also keep your store fresh and relevant. It's about being in tune with what's buzzing and translating that buzz into enticing designs. This way, you keep the pulse on what people enjoy, making your store a lively, ever-evolving space. Over time, these golden opportunities could lead to a steady stream of income, making your pod venture not just a creative outlet, but a financially rewarding endeavor. Reaching the treasure island. Every sale in your pod shop brings you closer to your financial goals. It's a rewarding journey where each design and sale marks a new milestone. The beauty of pod is its limitless potential. The more you create and market, the more you earn. Over time, your earnings accumulate, showcasing the financial promise of print-on-demand. Starting your print-on-demand adventure. Today, we embarked on a practical journey with Sarah, where every creative effort has the potential to generate income, yet also comes with challenges that require strategic solutions. The print-on-demand industry introduced a platform where Sarah's creativity found a lucrative outlet, paving her way to a financially rewarding experience, albeit not without its share of hurdles. Her story serves as a real-world invitation to you, urging you to explore this realistic avenue. Are you ready to dive into this practical world with your own unique designs and ideas? Your adventure on Millionaire Ventures Online is just a click away. Hit that subscribe button and let every click bring you closer to achieving your own financial goals while also preparing to navigate through the industry challenges. The rhythm of potential earnings resonates in the air, ready to harmonize with your creative endeavors, yet it's vital to stay informed and adaptable to maximize your success. As Sarah continues to convert her creativity into a revenue-generating venture, she also learns and adapts to the evolving market demands. Now, it's your turn to delve into the boundless opportunities of print-on-demand. Creating, selling, and watching your earnings grow with each sale, while also learning from each experience to refine your strategies.